Hi, greetings and salutations. I've been watching me do my trailer refurbish. You know that I replaced recently the clearance lights with LEDs to replace the old 20-year-old incandescent ones. And when I got done with that, I'll wait till it's dark and I'll see what it looks like. I cleared the stuff that was on the lift ramp off and closed the back door and waited till dark, and then I turned the lights on and turned the flashers on, and you could barely see the tail lights on a trailer. They're very, very dim. Of course, you know, there are these type of bulbs, the 2057s. Yeah, 2057s. And these are 20 years old, these original bulbs. So I was left with a conundrum. I went on the internet and I started looking, and the manufacturer of that taillight assembly, they still make those, and they actually have an upgraded one that looks exactly like that, same dimensions, will fit in the same hole, that have LED lights. The lenses are sealed and they're full of LED lights. If I was using this trailer on the daily, I probably would go that route, but they ain't cheap. They're like a couple $100 for a pair of them. And even if you can just get the lenses, if you don't need the whole body, you can just get an individual lens with the LEDs in them, but they're still $40 a piece. And I'm no math magician, but if you take 4, carry the 4, carry the 2, plus 1, that's still around $140 plus tax. I didn't want to wrap that kind of cabbage into it. So I did the next best thing. I got these red LED replacements that fit into a 2057 socket. And nice save, man. You can see this is a 2-element bulb, so it is a tail and brake or turn. Yeah, I had a choice to either get white or red, and I figured as bright as those white LED lights are, it'd probably wash out the lens and make it look pink, so I went and got red, and I'm glad I did because it looks so much better. And now you can actually see the back of the truck. So let's go out and take a look. And I got the driver's side replaced with the LEDs, and we'll compare them to the old incandescents that are on the passenger side. You tell me what you think. Well, there you have it. Those things will light up the sky, and especially at night. And probably should have videotaped it during the day when it was bright out, so you could see the difference. Let me just let me assure you, when you hit the brakes, you'll see those lights. And the great thing about that is that upgrade only cost, I think, around 30 bucks for four bulbs. So 4 of those red LEDs. There's a link in the description to both these and the direct replacements if your trailer has tail lights like that and you just want to get the updated tail light assembly and with the LED lenses and everything. I'll post a link in the description for those as well. Just a short video today. Pretty happy with that upgrade. So if you like the video, smash the like button, share it with your vast social media network. If you haven't subscribed, please consider doing so. And if you do, click the little bell icon. That way you get post notifications. If you want to support this channel, there's PayPal. You can throw me a couple bucks. There's Patreon if you want to support the channel on a monthly. And if you shop on Amazon, you're going to buy stuff on Amazon anyway, consider going through one of the links in the description. That way, the channel can earn a little bit of a commission. I'll turn that back into content. Might be just a couple pennies on your purchase, but hey, every penny counts, right? So, till next time, you have fun, stay safe, shoot straight, keep powder dry, have a splendid day. Thanks so much for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye.